Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome back. In today's video we'll start learning about menu bars and menus in general in Tkinter. So without further ado, let's get started, and we will start by, as always, importing Tkinter. So we'll say import Tkinter as Tk, and then of course we want our window. So window equals to tk. Give it a title, so it will be window dot title, and I will name it awesome menu bar. Now the final step, as always, so we don't forget this, will be calling the main loop, and we are now ready to start tinkering with menus. So first of all, we need to create a menu object. So a menu bar will be tk.menu, and this menu of course will go to the window. Now, unlike other widgets, the menu bar we add it to the main window by calling window.config and adding the menu parameter. So this will be menu bar. That's how we add a menu to the window. Now, the next step is to add menus or menu items. So like we have a menu here, and it's file, edit, etc. And each one have its own, let's say, menus or menu items. So we have new text file, we have exit, and so on. So let's add that. But before doing that, let's see if there's anything changed to the window. There's nothing because it's empty. So that's why we need to start adding some menus. So first, let's add the file menu. File menu equals to menu, and this menu will be added to the menu bar because that's the parent, and we will set this, or let me not add it and show you what's the difference later on, why we add it and why we don't add it. It's called tear off. Anyway, we have created that, and this of course need to be tk. We've done that. Now the next step is to call add command, and that's how we add stuff. So this is a command, this is command, so on. So file menu dot add command, and this command will be given the label file or just file. Now let's run, see what happens. Still nothing, because there's a few extra steps that we need to do. So let's get into them. The next thing we need to say is that menu bar dot add cascade, and here we say that label equals file. Run it one more time, and voila, we have a file menu here. Let's keep going and adding more stuff. If this all seems to you confusing, don't worry, I will explain it later on, but let's keep moving here. So we have add cascade, then we another one, so file menu dot add command. This will be label equals to exit. All right, so similar to the one we find here, exit. And finally, menu bar dot add cascade and label equals exit. Run it, and you can see actually this is wrong. We need it to be like this under the menu. So this is where I have made the mistake. Under this menu bar, add cascade label equal file, and we need to add another parameter, which is menu equal file menu. Now here also, this will be menu, or is delete and delete. First of all, let's see the difference. See what is happening. So file, here it is, file. All right. Now comes, if you see, run again. File, we have this dashed line, and we don't want that. So that's why here we add tier of equals to 0. Run, and it's gone. So it's much better looking actually. So let's go ahead and review very quickly. We have first created the menu bar, so this one here, and added that to the window. Next, we need to add menus or submenus to the menu bar. So we created the file menu, which is this one. So the file menu goes to the menu bar, and then we say file menu dot add command label equal file. Then we specify the cascade method, so it comes like this context menu, similar to context menu when you click the right click on the mouse, like this one here. Anyway, so let's keep moving and add some extra menus. The ones we have here commented. So file menu, add command exit, and let's remove this one here and run. Let's run file exit. So very logical. Add another one. So file menu dot add underscore command, and the command label will be maybe setting. Let's run it, and file settings. Now if we click on exit on or anything else, we should get some action. So let's do some action, and to do that I will define some function. So function do something, and this will just print something to the console. Say, hey, you clicked me. Now just maybe to exit, add command do something. Let's run, and file exit, hey, you clicked me. And that's how you work with menus basically in Tkinter. So thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. If you have any question, add them in the comment down below. And for me, I will see you in the next video.